Funny how many people believe they can't sing. If you're one of them, I have a question for you. What if you're wrong? People who don't sing are missing out on an incredible source of fun, joy, connection, and stress relief. And all because they believe something that probably isn't even true, regardless of what evidence they believe they have. That evidence tends to fall into a couple of categories. At some point, and probably when you were young, someone may have laughed at you when they heard you singing, or they might have come right out and said, "You can't sing." It only takes hearing that once to shut a singer down completely. It's crazy how we tend to believe those sort of reactions. It's likely whoever reacted unkindly knew absolutely nothing about singing. There's a good chance all they were doing was expressing their discomfort at hearing someone sing when they weren't expecting it, because most of us don't sing anymore. Throughout human history, people sang in their everyday lives. 100 years ago, regular people sang all the time. Then came recorded music, which is great, but it stopped people from singing. It's uncommon now for people to sing. Singing is thought of as some special talent that only a few people have, which isn't true. If you like the idea of singing, even if you believe you can't sing, you might try this. Put yourself somewhere where you feel comfortable enough to experiment and sing or even hum for 5 minutes. Then see how you feel when the 5 minutes are up. Unless you're giving yourself a hard time when you sing, you'll probably feel more relaxed and in a little better mood than before you started, because here's what will happen. You'll feel part of every mountain, sea, and shore. You can hear from far and near a world you've never ever heard before. I'll see you in another video.